Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Pilot EXL. It's got 65,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. Alright, it's this black forest green metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and make our way down the driver's side. We'll go ahead and take a look here. Everything looks to be in good shape. No problems coming down the driver's side. We'll go ahead and make our way across the rear of the vehicle. A couple of scratches here. If you can see that on the tailgate there. Everything else looks to be in really good shape. Okay, right here on the back quarter panel, got a small scratch here and right there. If you can see that. Really small, really minor. It's been painted over so you can hardly see it. Keep going down the passenger side of the vehicle here. Everything looks to be in really good shape. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it's got the two-tone door panel. Got the beige with the black trim. Really sharp looking. Alright, power windows, power locks. Alright, power driver's seat. Alright, it does have the beige leather. Okay, leather's in good shape. Everything looks good. Just a little bit of scuffing right here on the plastic near the seat belt. Probably from where that's been hitting it, going in and out of the buckle. Okay, captain's chairs, passenger seat chair. The leather's in great shape. No problems there. Go ahead and lay this out for you. Alright, it does have a keyless fob. Alright, remote start. Okay, automatic. Push button start. Dual climate controls. It's equipped with the heated seats. Alright, nice big touch screen here with the backup camera, and I'll turn that on for you in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Alright, it does have power mirrors and the econ button. It also has this blind spot monitoring button. You push that button or do a lane change, put the turn signal on, it will show up in the screen over there, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, it is equipped with the power sunroof and the DVD player, and it's third row seating. Okay, now that we've got the Pilot powered up here, go ahead and show you this again. Alright, with the dual climate controls here, heated seats. Alright, it does have USB ports and a power outlet there. Alright, here's your control panel here. Alright, it's got the settings, the info, phone, audio. Okay, it does have backup camera. Go ahead and engage that for you as well. Okay, really nice big screen there. Okay, go ahead and check out the mileage. It does have 65,657 miles. Alright, we've had the air conditioner blowing now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing really cold there. Alright, no problems whatsoever with that. And just bear with me for a second. I'll go ahead and step out of here and we'll take a look at the back seat. Door panel, same's got the two-tone, really nice beige and black combination there. Alright, back seat leather is in great shape. No problem back here at all. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a look at the DVD player. It's an Advent DVD player. Alright, that is an aftermarket DVD player. That is not a Honda factory DVD player, which is okay. Just letting you know, it does come with a set of the headphones. Okay. Rear heat and air back here as well. Alright, I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view, kind of the layout. Everything's in great shape there. Alright, let me pan back here. Go ahead and show you the third row seats. And what's really cool about these Pilots, really quick button right here you push, and this seat will fold up and slide up on its own. I'll go ahead and give the button a push. Okay, really convenient for that. Third row seats are in great shape. No issues with the leather at all. Everything looks really good. Okay, and then to get the seat back up, you just push it. It's really light, slides really easy. There's also a button to do that back here behind the seat. Once again, you push the button, okay, and it slides up on its own. Really cool feature there. Go ahead and walk around to the back. Open up the lift gate here for you. As you can see, power lift gate. Alright. Really nice, convenient hard rubber mat here. Okay. The seats for the third row kind of intrude a little bit into the storage area. To get those down, you just pull that, okay? Seat will go up, no problem there. Pull this part, headrest go down, seat goes up, and I want you to see how much that opens it up back here for storage. Okay, now this flips back out over it. Okay, really convenient. All right, nice hard rubber mat there, covers the whole thing. Okay, and it is equipped, power lift gate. Everything goes down nice and smooth. Okay, one thing I want to show you that I missed on the walk around, small dent right here. Okay, on the body line, the lift gate. Okay, that can be taken care of, no problem there. Okay, I'll go ahead and stick my head in here on the passenger side of the second row seats. Just let you take a look at that. Take a look at the quality. Okay, there's that button again that gets the seats. And same thing for this seat too as well. Push the button and it slides up. Okay, really convenient there. Leather back here is in great shape. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let you see the front passenger seat as well. Okay, it's power seat and it's been well taken care of. Okay, only 65,000 miles on this one. It's a 2016. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. What do we have here? We've got 18-inch alloys. Okay, they've been well taken care of, no scratches, no curbing. Tires are in good shape, almost a brand new set of tires. You can see the depth there. Okay, those look really good. All right, and once again, guys, this is a 2016 Honda Pilot EXL, 65,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out. Thanks for watching the video.